Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to restore blurred images. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to restore your blurred image, you need to simply open any of the AI photo enhancing tools. Here I'm using Canva. So once you open these tools, you can simply launch it, and now you can either open it on your browser, desktop, or like app or any other area. So after you have done this, you can go and access to your photo that is blurred. So once you have gone to the photo that is blurred, you can simply tap open the photo and upload it on your page. So once you have uploaded it on your page, you can simply tap on the photo and go to the edit as design option. Now once you have gone in the edit section, you can enhance this photo. You can like give different kind of dimensions to it. You can enhance the quality, you can customize your photo, and then finally download it and share it. So this way you can restore your blurred images. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.